Satan will approach you by tempting you first into minor sins, leading you step by step into the commission of bigger evils. Looking upon that which is forbidden is a classic tactic of Satan, one that sets you on the path that will lead you to commit a more serious evil. When one continues to look at that which is forbidden, one can get hooked and addicted to these illicit images. Satan can lay a firm grip on his victim to the point that the individual will not be able to control him or herself. O you who have believed, do not follow the footsteps of Satan, and whoever follows the footsteps of Satan, indeed he enjoys immorality and wrongdoing. Quran 24:21. The negative effects of pornography consumption are massive. Amongst the harms of watching pornographic images or videos are its negative effects and ultimate destroyer of one's iman, faith, heart, spirituality, all precious assets that should be treasured. Porn consumption weakens one's connection with God, weakens one's prayers, and affects one's khushu', one's humility and mental presence during prayer. Under the influence of porn, one would not be able to recite the Holy Quran with emotion, nor shed any tears. The eyes are the most direct path to the heart. The act of seeing that which is prohibited violates and corrupts the soul. Do not stand amongst those who are enslaved by their desires, as the one who is controlled by his whims and desires is indeed a prisoner. God the Almighty states, "Have you seen he who has taken his God, his own desires?" Quran 45:23. According to Islamic scholars, one who does not lower his or her gaze and protect their private parts can be deprived of Islamic knowledge, blessings, assistance from God, a sense of modesty, and capabilities of accomplishing certain acts of worship. The one that watches pornography will experience a dopamine rush, soon feeling the need to view more and more to capture the sensation. Pornography can wreak many negative effects on one's marriage, mind, eyes, organs, and reproductive system. Pornography can lead to sexual dysfunction such as erectile dysfunction or delayed ejaculation. Watching pornography has devastating effects on the brain and will have one constantly checking out the people around them with a lustful gaze and intent, as opposed to treating the opposite gender with dignity and respect. Pornography can also have a psychological impact on the user, lowering one's self-esteem, confidence, shame, morals, and even motivation. Watching pornographic images and videos increase the risk of loneliness and depression and deplete valuable time that can be spent on more beneficial activities. According to Islamic scholars, the one that does not lower his or her gaze and protect their private parts can experience physical weakness, anxiety, hardening of the heart, and an ongoing addiction that leads to other sins, punishments in the hereafter, and other destructive outcomes. One needs to discover and cut the pornography problem at its root, doing so by uncovering as to exactly what is triggering one to view such images and videos. If one identifies his or